Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So Google is not keeping things wrapped in their hands. As we know, with Google Pixel 7 series, it was leaked before time and now it happened with Google 8 as a hands-on video, not a video but hands-on images of Google Pixel 8 Pro has been leaked. As you can see here, it is from the fast boot mode of the device and we get to see more things regarding it, the DRAM and stuff, and it has flat screen, and also it comes with UFS 128 GB, and RAM is also from Samsung. And here you can see the camera sensor, all three are housing in the same camera cutout, while in Pixel 7 Pro it had a different for the periscope lens, which looks weird. And here we also have the thermometer sensor, like the temperature sensor, body temperature sensor, which Google is tweeting out. And it looks weird because nobody is using it as of now. You have smartwatches to do that, but yeah, it's Google. They are late to the game, but yeah, every time. But let's just see how it turns out because it looks weird. I already made a dedicated video of it, and yeah, you can find it in the playlist. But yeah, it looks weird. Why do we need a temperature sensors now? But yeah, and also along with it, they it comes with 128 GB as a base, because it's also weird because it should come with 256 GB, and it comes with 12 GB of Samsung LPDDR5 RAM, and it will come with UFS 4.0, but it is a gimmick because 256 GB will come with UFS 4.0 while 128 GB will come with UFS 3.1, and UFS 4.0 is 46% more efficient, but they will give it for the only for the higher variants, and the best variant will come with previous generation of UFS storage, which is a weird kind of a move, but it is what it is. They are doing it so that you go for the premium variants and pay more. But yeah, and also it will come with latest improvement to the camera sensor because it will have 1 inch sensor. The display is brighter with 1600 nits compared to 7 Pro. Also, it will have variable refresh rate. 8 Pro will go as low as 5 and 10 Hz, so it's nice. Also, it will come with nearly GN2, which is nearly 1 inch sensor because it's 1 to 1.12 inch, and also Tensor G3 will come with 9 core SoC, and it will have a latest architecture. So yeah, it looks pretty nice, and G3 is more powerful than G2, and it is on par of it at Gen 2 also. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news and the hands-on video? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.